Guys, this is Will H Tech Review, back with another video. And today we're going to be taking a look at a screen protector that I picked up for my Microsoft Surface Go. So this is the US tempered glass screen protector film guard for the Microsoft Surface Go 10-inch 2018. So I picked this up from a seller on eBay. It was $6.99 and free shipping. And I'll leave a link in the description for this if you guys want to pick it up. So let's take a look at some of the features of this. This is 9H hardness, complete transparency, responsive touch, perfect adhesion, responsive touch, they got that twice, and oleophobic coating. So that is some of the features with this, and it also is pen compatible, Surface pen compatible, scratch resistant, some of the other stuff, bubble free installation. And like I said, this is $6.99. I'll leave a link in the description if you guys want to pick it up. So let's jump into it and see what's all included here. Let me get my knife out. I do need to get me an official unboxing knife for Will H Tech Review, but right now I'm just using a pocket knife that I keep in my pocket for work. So let's check this out. So you guys know I've had the Surface for a while here, and I noticed the other day when I was making a video about this with the accessories that I picked up, that I picked up some scratches on my screen. And normally I'm very careful with my devices and like to keep them in pristine condition. And for some reason I picked up some scratches, so decided I better pick up a screen protector. So I looked around and I found this one. So these are some of the same things I read off earlier, just a plain box here, screen protector. No big deal with that. Let's see what's all included. So, of course, you get the screen protector. Let's get that out, check it out. So here's the screen protector. And then you get some dust removal stuff here and some wet and dry wipes. So that's it. So let's get this baby ready to drop it on here. Let's see if I can show you the scratches here with the screen off. Probably won't be able to see them with my lighting here that I have. But we're gonna go ahead and get this screen protector on there, then we'll take a look at it. Okay guys, so we're back in. I do have it installed. Not too bad installation. It's just a big piece of glass that, you know, can be a little hectic, but not too bad for me. I'm not real good at doing screen protectors. What I wanted to show you on this one does have a cutout for your cameras right here. And you also have a cutout on each end for your speaker grills, because this has front-facing speakers. So overall, not too bad. But now what I want to do is check the sensitivity with the Microsoft Surface Pen here. Windows hello, see how fast that is. But let's see, let's go into social media here, Facebook, and just check the pen sensitivity. Yeah, seems to be working good. Let's go into Twitter and check it out, maybe do a little strolling with it. So far, screen sensitivity, touch sensitivity seems to be working well. I can stroll, no problems with it. So not bad for the screen protector, $6 and some change. I'll leave the link in the description, guys, if you guys want to pick it up. Catch y'all in the next video. Will H, and I'm out.